Hello guys, this is EIP and I'm making this video on the request of Vishal95 because he requested me to make a video on the template which can be used for the intraday trading. So I'm going to just make a most simplest of the video which can give you an idea how you can follow the trading in the direction of the trend as per the EIP daily signal. Now, when on Friday, when everybody was euphoric and saying that it is going to go up. The bottom is in. Iran-Israel war, the bottom is in. This is the capitulation. But where the top of the wave ended? Right on EIP Bollinger Band, right on this moving average. And down it went. Down it went. You understand? When everybody was swearing on their mothers that this is the bottom. So it was a time to go short. I was sleeping when it hit over here. But I went short over here. And then during intraday, I posted in the group to go short in 5 minutes and 10 minutes with you guys in the group. So it was no way in hell going to go up. Similarly, as soon as it was below the moving average of the Bollinger Band and you had the sell signal on the EIP reversal, then it was a sell. Over here also, it was a sell. You can see. Down she goes. So you just need to do one thing. Just check the daily signal on the EIP daily algo and then keep selling on intraday. So there are two types of person in the world. Like I made a big lecture on Thursday, I think I gave a big lecture to you guys that there are two types of person in the world. Those who are happy on this and those who sell bags to these guys who are happy. So those who are saying, oh, Israel-Iran war, there's no wars coming, there's no war coming, everything is fine. But those who sold the bags to the same guys. And you guys know once the Bollinger Band is broken, it's over. So it was over and it was over. There was no question. There was no question it was going to go up because it was below the Bollinger Band. When the bull run will start, it will go up. It will find support on this. It will find support on the Bollinger Band, and it will break out on the Bollinger Band. Until then, until unless then, you guys have the access to this intraday Bollinger Band, and it wouldn't change on any time frame. Like for example, put it on any time frame, like 15 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes. It will remain static. It will keep you in correct direction. If you will use any other Bollinger Band instead of EIP Bollinger Band, then every time frame it will give you a different Bollinger Band. But this Bollinger Band will remain static, whether it is 1 hour, 39 minutes, 15 minutes, 10 minutes, whatever. So there is no confusion. It is just giving you one single minded focus of what you need to do. That is, check daily signal, check EIP Bollinger Band, and then keep selling bags to those guys who are saying that bottom is in, bottom is in. You understand my point? So you don't even need to listen to me. You guys can trade this way. When it will be time to buy, you buy. But when it will be time to sell, you know how to sell. I think I'm pretty much clear now that what you guys can do. And this wave can extend to the downside more. And you can keep, you can take profit of end of waves through the Fibonacci extensions. And for example, let's say I'm just giving you a hypothetical scenario. Let's say it goes over here and then it's, starts going up till here, and there is a Bollinger Band again over here. Then you will check the conditions on the EIP reversal, and there is a Bollinger Band. And if there is moving average also, it starts going below that, then you will sell again. Even if the end of wave is reached. Because this is C wave. The C wave can be ferocious and it can extend. I told you guys about that C wave can be ferocious a lot. Remember when this when when this was A, B, C, and when this C was so ferocious that everybody was calling, oh, it is all-time high. We are going to go up. There's no coming back. But I told you guys that this was nothing but ABC and it was a sell. And I told you guys why it was sell. And so this is the same C wave, but on bigger degree, and it is going to be ferocious, and it has been ferocious, right? So it can extend. Other people, those who are not in the group, they don't have the luxury of this. So what? Just like yesterday, they will keep drawing random lines. They will say, oh, this is A, this is B, this will be C, this will be the bigger A, this will be the bigger B, and this will be the bigger C, and then down. But you guys knew that it was down. No need to fuck around about this ABC. Of course, you had this idea in the mind, but drawing random lines up and down count for nothing. Only this thing matters. Once you saw this, and once it went below the moving average, once you saw the rejection on the Bollinger Band, then it was over. You guys didn't need to do anything. So this is the most simplistic indicators in my group that I can explain to you guys. You can use other indicators which can further fine-tune things, but this is the most simple one. Like, this is the fundamental things which everybody should be following. If you will keep your eyes off it, then of course you will chase after the shiny object, and then you will end up doing the mistake just like everyone else. And as humans, we have a tendency to making mistakes. And as human beings, we have a tendency of, finding the reversals. And we have a fascination of finding the bottoms. The same guys who were calling new all-time highs were the same guys who were calling bottom over here. So it's all right. Human beings can make mistake, but we need to follow this thing, that we need to check the daily algo, and we need to check this intraday indicator, and then keep selling bags to the people who are euphoric. Until or unless our turn date is reached, until or unless you start seeing change of character in this Bollinger Band. Do you see the characteristic of a bullish Bollinger Band and a bearish Bollinger Band? So you guys don't even need me. You just need to keep following this and let other people make random lines, because drawing random line is not going to take people anywhere.